Hello, welcome back. Shakir speaking. In the previous video, we have created up to that places. If we run the server, let's see which place we have done our yarn dev. So we have created the folder package. So I'm creating from the scratch. You see. So let's check to which places we have done yesterday. Let's reload it. Okay, so today it's our time to create the backend and connect the MongoDB and create the backend functionality. Okay, and we'll create the API, the ultimate feature of Next.js, which they can boost. They created the app directory, and by this app directory you can face or HTTP request, serverless HTTP request you can done by this directory. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, we have created the register page. Yeah. Okay, let's create in the root directory, create a folder, name is backend. Backend, and in the backend, create a folder named config for database, config, and in the config folder, create db connect.js, and in db connect you give the MongoDB scripts, connection script. So I have already placed connect. Okay, if you don't understand, feel free to leave a comment. I will come to you and give you an understanding about the connection. Okay, this is the db connect, and create another folder for models. Okay, so as it is role based, so we need user model, user.js. Okay, and user, we need, what do we need? We need import mongoose from mongoose. We have not included the packages, not now. bcrypt from bcrypt.js, bcrypt.js. Okay, we'll see it later. So first of all, we need to include the mongoose and bcrypt. So yarn add mongoose and bcrypt.js, bc or bcrypt.js. Spelling should be correct. There is a spelling mistake from bcrypt.js. Okay, then const user schema equal to new mongoose dot schema then name type equal to string required true. Please enter your name. Please enter your name Okay, then email type string required to is enter your email. So this is some redundant work you have to do. So I am copying some fields. Okay. For another one is password and avatar. So this one will be password type must be string required. Please enter your password. Please enter your password. And min length, that should be a minimum length. Min length so 6. Your password must be longer than 6 characters. So we have some redundant work. So upon completion of this user model, I am coming back. You will get the code in the GitHub repository. So no worries. So I have write all the code. So to save you time, I have completed the user model. So now it's time to create the connection, or we by the combination of DB connect and user, we want to create our user. So for that reason, we need to you will get all the codes in our GitHub repository. Okay, in the app directory, as this is the API endpoint. So it is serverless. So what we need to do, this is the convention in the app directory. You have to write down register. First of all, API, then register. Sorry, API register, then route, ROUTS, route.js. Okay. So in the route.js, what we need to do, export async function post request response try catch block the try catch block. So write down something in the try. First of all, await DB connect. Okay, what the DB connect we got, you see the auto suggestion is from backend. Okay, DB connect, that will connect the database, and we have to receive in the request body in like express. So const body equal to await This is in the Express we have received request body, but here we got request.json. Okay, and const finally we get the user equal to await user, sorry, user, and create, sorry, user dot create what the data we got in the body. Okay, body. Okay, now it's time to get the response. Okay, we receive the data from client side in the body, and now it's time to send back the response to the client. Okay, so return next response, next response from next server. It's auto suggesting. Okay, next response dot JSON. We got the in JSON format, and message user created successfully. User created successfully, and we want to send the user to the front end. Okay, and here we want to send the response code, and it should be status 200. Okay, 200 response code. Okay, done. And if it fails, then we want to send another error response. Return next response dot JSON and message message server error. Please try again. Try again the status code. I can do another thing. Another response here. The status 500. So I think it's okay. So what we did, we have done three things. First of all, we created a backend and created the config file for database connection, and we created the user model. All the codes you will get in the GitHub repository, and through API routes, through Axios, and we will send our this page. You see registration page. This will send the data in the backend. Okay, and let's see. It's a good idea. It's a good practice to ascertain whether you got the installed. Say we install Bcrypt.js and we install Mongoose and we got that. We have to make sure that whether you got it or not. Let's see, is everything working perfectly? Something wrong? The aborted request. Okay, it's a part of developer life. You will get some errors and you have to fix it and get ahead. No, it's working just fine. So if any wrong, I will debug it and let you know what's the problem. Okay, so no more today. In the next video we will send our data from the client side to server side, okay, and save it in the database. Okay, no more today. So stay tuned, stay connected. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe, and stay connected. It will be a full-blown and complete and exciting journey. Thank you very much. See you soon.